everyone, hope you're doing well. I am so excited to be filming this video today. I thought it would be so nice, being as the sun is shining in London, to go out on a little London day date and bring you along with me. So we're going to get ready, we're going to try on some outfits, and then we're going to head out. I think we're going to go to an exhibition and then maybe for a coffee or some lunch, or even maybe a wine bar. We'll see where the day takes us. I really just am loving at the moment, especially now the sun's come out, making the most of living in this beautiful city. So I'm kind of ready. I've done my makeup, I've done my hair, but I need to put on my jewellery, and then I thought maybe we could style up some different outfits just to see what I'm feeling wearing today. First things first though, I have something so exciting to show you, and I've been so excited to film this video specifically so I can unbox these and show you guys them. If you haven't heard of TJC before, they're brands that I recently discovered and fell in love with, and I'm so excited to be working with them on today's video. So if you haven't heard of them, TJC are a trusted UK-based affordable luxury jewellery brand. They're based in West London and they have over 17 years experience and a loyal customer base of over 1 million people, and I have got some very beautiful bits of jewellery to share with you today. So they make sustainable, high quality, ethical and affordable lab grown diamonds. They've also given me an amazing discount code, so if you did want to treat yourself or someone else, someone special in your life, you can definitely do that. So first things first, let me show you this. This is beautiful. The attention to detail on this brand as well is just extraordinary. So inside your big box you get a little like microfiber cloth to clean your jewellery with. You also get this tiny little pouch which is perfect for travelling with. The sun's coming out just like it knows that I'm about to show you something special. And then you get the box, and just look at this. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just obsessed with the light, but how stunning are these? So these are 1/2 carat lab grown diamonds. They're earring studs in a sterling silver, and I'm going to try these on immediately. I really don't own anything like this in my wardrobe, which is why I'm so excited to give them a go. I just feel like these are going to be so like effortlessly beautiful, kind of perfect wear all day, all the time. Oh my gosh, they are stunning. Just a little pop of luxury on my ears. So I really didn't know much about lab grown diamonds, but I've done my research and I wanted to share why they're so amazing. So firstly, these aren't fake, they are real diamonds, like physically, chemically, optically identical to the mined ones, but they are more sustainable. They're ethically sourced and they're way more affordable. So basically you can achieve guilt-free luxury, which to me sounds perfect. Just look at the sparkle. I can't stop looking at my ears. They have so many options on their websites, but I went for these ones, which are the lab grown diamond stud earrings, and they are £99.99. There's a massive discount there for you. As I said, I also have a discount code that you can use on top of that existing discount. So with my code KT20 you get £20 off your order, which is amazing. I have the 0.5 carat ones. They also have bigger and smaller ones there. I actually went for the set, so I'll show you those. So if you scroll down, I went for this bundle, which again is a massive saving. It's got massive discounts on, and you can add my discount code on top of this. So let me show you the rest of it. This is just so beautiful as well. Look! Why does this make me so happy? So again, this is the 1/2 carat lab grown diamond ring in a sterling silver. Oh my goodness, can you see that sparkle? Oh, and I've gone for the necklace as well to match. Let me put her on as well. Oh my god, I feel so beautiful right now. Makes me so happy. So the ring and the necklace are also made in sterling silver to give you a really priceless look without the hefty price tag. So like I said, you can use my special code, which is KT20. You can use that at checkout. So whether that's just the earrings or the bundle or anything else you like the look of. The bundle actually has 15% off already, but you can use my code on top of that, so you're saving the extra 20 quid, which is absolutely amazing. Such beautiful luxury pieces for a really affordable budget. So whether you're like treating yourself or buying a treat for a family member or a friend, I think this is just such a beautiful idea, especially when it comes back around to Christmas time as well. I'm going to put the link in the description bar so you can go and check that out. Okay, so I thought we could put together some outfits to wear out today. Definitely leaning towards an all black look, just because I feel like that will really make my jewellery stand out. Checking my wardrobe. Okay, first option, like a little strappy body with a nice flowy like long skirt. This top is one of my faves, structured, which is why I love it so much. It has really nice kind of shoulder pads and like an adjustable strap at the back to clinch your waist in. It's kind of casual but also elevated, and that's also what I think will work so well with the jewellery. Like, this jewellery is so classic and you can wear it up or down. Like, you could wear it day to day more casually with jeans or a t-shirt, but you could also dress it up and put on a ball gown and like it would still look and feel great there as well. So yeah, I think I'm leaning more towards this. Could do something classic like this as well, just like a low v-neck. Can you even see that? It's like a deep v-neck, and this with some smart trousers might look cool. So we have some options. Okay, I really like this outfit. I think it's just very classic, very elegant. I'm worried it'd be a little bit too cold for me today, so I'm not going to wear it, but I really like the shape of this skirt and the shape of the top, and then also just the jewellery just elevates this whole look and dresses it up more, which I really am enjoying. I think this will be a little bit too cold for me to wear today, but I really like the kind of silhouette of it. Okay, my second look, I have put my hair up. I just feel like these earrings need everyone to see them, so the hair is out of the face. And then I've teamed this very deep low v-neck with these kind of smart silky grey trousers and some loafers. I just feel like this is super comfy but also looks quite elegant, and I feel like would also look great dressed up with a blazer. So that is option number 2. Okay, and this is the final top, and you might be able to see now why I love this top so much. I think the structure of it is so cool. It's really flattering but also kind of boxy and structured, which I think is just so beautiful. I've teamed it with these cropped flared jeans, and I quite like the shape they're mimicking. I don't know if you can tell. And again, I think the jewellery here just works so well. Another option would be a little headband just to keep my hair out of my face, and also I feel like it just adds a little bit of femininity back in with the jewellery. I'm going to go and pack a bag and then we can head out into London. I would love to know how you would style these pieces of jewellery as well. Do let me know in the comments what outfit you preferred, how you would style these up. I'd love some inspiration, and obviously in future vlogs and weekly vlogs I'll show you how I'm kind of styling all this and putting it all together. Okay, I think I'm ready.
You look nice.
Oh, thanks, babe. Date day.
Like your earrings.
Oh, yeah? What do you think?
Gorge, very nice.
And
beautiful.
the necklet, I'm all matching.
These are beautiful.
They're nice, aren't they? Right, you ready?
I'm ready.
So our first stop, we're going to the Welcome Collection, which is one of our favourite museum exhibition centres in London. It's in Euston, so let's go take a look. We have now come to the British Museum, specifically so I can check out the Greek bit. I'm just obsessed with these from ancient Greece, so amazing. We have just got home, had such a lovely day out. So we also went for coffee down Exmouth Market, which is one of my favourite places in London. The woman that was making my coffee complimented my earrings. I'm not even exaggerating when I say that. I was like, oh, thanks. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog and got some nice London recommendations. I've had the loveliest day walking around London, exploring, and I just felt so glam all day in my beautiful jewellery. So thank you so much to TJC for sponsoring this video and for making such beautiful luxury jewellery at an affordable price. My discount code, just a reminder, is KT20. You'll get £20 off, and that's either the price of the individual pieces or the bundle with the discount included. So amazing value. Let me know down below if you spot anything you like on there. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Lots of love.